I'm David with Stoker's Hot Rod Factory. This is the Muroc Roadster that we built for this year's AMBR award. It's powered by a 32 Ford B 4-cylinder with a Miller overhead conversion. Kept it pre-40s, pre-war style. We had the original chassis still with the mechanical brakes. We had the motor already. The engine was actually a leftover rebuild from the late 40s that was never fired. And we just blew it apart and refinished it. But being that we had the mechanical brakes, basically a stock chassis, we wanted to keep it kind of a pre-war, late 30s style build. Just made it a little simpler. Off and on about 2 years. The painter had it for just short of the year, so that kind of set us a little behind. Intentions were to have it ready for last year, but didn't quite make it. So once we were out for last year, we kind of took our time a little bit more. Fairly easy build. Just kind of kept it simple, kept it original, used as much original stuff as we could. Mostly focused on the fit, finish, different contrasting textures, finishes, nickel, copper, brass. Do a few more things to it. Just make it a little more roadworthy. You know, at this point we got it where it run and drive, but just kind of dial it in a little bit. Don't really know yet what the owner's going to let us do. We'd like to do some race of the gentleman with it, but I'm not sure he'll let us get it on the sand just yet.